Everyone, today I am going to show you how to make an YouTube thumbnail using Canva, and the best part, it's totally beginner and free to use. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up with your email, Google or Facebook account. Step 2. Search for your YouTube thumbnail. Once you are in, type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. Canva has a lot of ready-made templates that are perfectly sized, which is the recommended size for YouTube thumbnails. And choose a template or start from search. You all now see a variety of templates, bold, colorful ones, something for every type of video. Click on a template you like or click blank to start fresh. So for customize your thumbnail. Customize your thumbnail. It is very important. Customize your thumbnail because thumbnail is main. This is where the fun. You can change the text and your video title or hook. Upload your own image, maybe a screenshot from your video or your face. Use elements and icons, shapes, arrows or emojis to draw attention. Change color and fonts. Match your branding or style. Step 5. Once you are happy with your design, click the share button in the top right corner. Then select download, choose PNG or JPG for the best quality. Now you are ready to upload it to your YouTube video. That's it. You have made your YouTube thumbnail in Canva. With a strong thumbnail, your video is more likely to grab attention to get those clicks. Thanks for following along and happy creating.